Now that you've put Service Manager Pro 2.0 in the administrator/publishing mode, let's talk about how you can publish custom labor times against the 4 million labor operations we have in our database. So let's go up here and click Home. Let's choose a model, motorcycle, Yamaha 2014 FJR 1300, and go to labor times, and we'll go to brake system. See, it says front disc brake pad per caliper quantity 1. Maybe we've got in our labor guide 0.5 hours, and that's subject to a plus 50% multiplier because that's what I've personally got this one set at. Maybe you know that that one's a little tricky and a little difficult, but Yamaha didn't compensate for it, so you want to publish your own time against that specific labor operation. So maybe you want to move that to 1.5 hours. So all you got to do is type in 1.5, click plus, and it adds that labor time to your customized labor operations database. Now, if you want to change that time to maybe 1.7 because you mistyped on the keyboard, just go back up there, type 1.7, hit plus, and it changes it to 1.7. Now, in the non-administrator mode, when your service writer or service technician or who's ever writing up the repair order comes in to view that, it'll show up, if we click here, brake system, 1.7 with a green box around it or light blue box around it. This means that this is a custom labor operation, and this should alert your service writer or your service technician who's ever writing up the RO to use that particular labor operation versus this one. Now, if you want to delete one, all you got to do is click the trash button, and it deletes it. So you can now customize our labor operations database to really fine-tune what you want to publish or what you want to use internally. Now, once you publish a customized labor operation like this, and we just made that 1.3 again, that labor operation time right here will not be subject to the multiplier. So you can move your multiplier all around like you would normally move your multiplier plus 50, plus 60, whatever you have it set at. It will not affect this labor time, so that is a static labor time in your database and will always show up as 1.3 regardless of how you have your multiplier set. So that's how to do that. And in order to get out of administrator mode, all you got to do is close your browser, and that'll keep anyone else from going in here and messing with your labor times if they use the same computer. Keep watch of our YouTube channel. We have some common jobs publishing stuff to talk about in some of the other videos, as well as custom publishing times for service schedules and a few other things.